So this is the lobby, and here is the garage part of it, down here. Yeah. And Christmas song is coming. Umbrella? Huh? Good. And here, not so much people, but today is a Sunday, so and when you come out, you have shore tree on the other side here. And I was here 18 months ago, and then I think now we finished the whole construction of shore tree. But no, they go very slow on this construction now. Maybe because they don't have sold it out, so they work like only a few workers. Some have aircon here on this side, but not many. So but in the bottom floor of Shore 3, they open up here hairdress, salon, massage, and some restaurant also. Rich oyster. Golden Noodle House. But the problem for many of these, like this place, Asian taste with Chinese letter, but no customer. Why? Yeah, I see one. It's a Chinese sitting there. But 95% or more of all Chinese have left the country because the POGO is closed. And they have a lot of restaurant for these Chinese people living here before. So I'm sure they're gonna close down a lot of these Chinese places here around because they have no customer. Filipinos don't eat much Chinese food, I think. Yeah, shumai is here's the entrance, Shore 3. Here they have some eatery on this side, and then you have an Alpha Mart here also. So there are two Alpha Mart in Shore, and Shore 3 have at least one big of Alpha Mart. So you never have to go so far to buy food here. And here is this steak Tijuan.
Maybe we try sometime.
Yeah, maybe we can try that. And now we're coming to the end of Shore 3. What's the name of that? I don't know. So here is next construction coming. But this side, they finish. But they finish, no, they not finish. You know why? Because I don't see any aircon on the balconies. That means no one live here. So whole this side, no condo is finished. So this Shore 3, sad to say, the people who buy in Shore 3, they're very fooled by SM. Look at this side.
This is the sale.
No. And how is this side going then? The back side of Shore 3. Oh, I hardly see any. I see some aircon maybe, but not many. So they don't finish. They make a stop in the construction, so maybe it's like 2-3 years delayed all this building. That's the thing when you buy a condo and the agent in the mall say, wow, you can move in 1 year. Oh, 1 year? You mean 3 years? No, sir, only 1 year. No, not believe them too much. They want the contract. That's all. And here you have next construction coming up. It's called Sail Residence. Sailing, like a sailboat. And this they have come up with the skeleton of the building. And of course this, when you have Shore 3 here, Shore, the brown one, they finished long time, everything. Full finish. But this Sail, no. It's gonna also be a lot of delayed in this, I promise you that. So if you have a condo here you buy, maybe you buy it 1.5, 2 years ago and hope move in 3 years later, no. Maybe 5 years later they're gonna move in. They have no workers at all here. It's a Sunday eve, but still. When we were here Friday I didn't see many workers here at all. So they go in slow motion, this building. And the rental price here also gone down, I heard. Before you can have 30,000 a month for a 1 bedroom. But now I heard they're down to 20 or 18 a month even. Because there are so many free condos because the Chinese POGO workers and also Vietnamese POGO workers, they have left Philippines now. They're not allowed. They're banned by the president even. And one of the first building here is this Shell residence, and that's been up long time. And then they build it fast because this was one of the first buildings. So they have no reason to hail it and slow it down. No, they go on. But it's a calm walkway here down to Mall of Asia, I must say. And then on the other side of the street, a little far away there, you have something called ICE Residence. Also SM, of course. Everything here is SMDC building. And that ICE Residence, it seems they come a little further with that. But when I was here 18 months ago, there were no windows and so on it. But it was almost up. But I think they also have hard to sell all condos. And beside ICE, it's another construction coming up there. And I don't see any worker this Sunday there working on that. I don't know the name really of it. Maybe someone else knows the name of that. And here in the corner have an Alpha Mart again. And the traffic is calm here on a Sunday. And there you have the hotel. 101, eh? No. And my friends stay there soon.
Hop in hotel.
Yeah, you're right. Hop in hotel. Nej, 101 I think. But hop in is little more in that direction. Oh, maybe you're right. I forgot. We're gonna reach IKEA today. Take a visit there. We need to buy some stuff. And you see IKEA there with the yellow text on the dark blue building. And why they have that color? I know it why. Because it's a Swedish company, IKEA, and they use the Swedish flag color on all their buildings. Ja, det gör det. We take the underground passage from here to go to IKEA. Let's see, we go down here. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah, we go back with the movie when we come a little closer to IKEA.